Your portfolio tracker should make investing easier, not harder. But after testing 25 different platforms, I found that each one is designed for a completely different type of investor. And it's so easy to choose the wrong one. So today I'm helping you pick the right match. 4 portfolio trackers for 4 different investing personalities. Researcher, income builder, power user, or someone who values simplicity. By the end, you'll know exactly which one to use. I'm the Bold Investor, and on this channel we cut through the noise to focus on what actually matters in investing, the practical tools and strategies that work. So let's find your perfect match and get you set up with the right tool. Let's start with the only tracker that combines portfolio tracking and researching in one place, Seeking Alpha. When you open Seeking Alpha, you see your portfolios with multiple views, summary, rating, and holdings. Here is my test portfolio: Altria, Alphabet Class C, and Berkshire Class B shares, worth just over $10,000, up around 40%. You can drill into all your transactions to see exactly how much you made on each one. For example, I sold 5 Alphabet shares and bought 15 Altria shares the same day. All the details are right here. You can create custom views with any metrics you want: 3-year total returns, dividend performance, whatever matters to you. But here's what sets Seeking Alpha apart. All the latest news, press releases, and research about your holdings are built right in. One click gives you everything about any company you own or want to own. Research and portfolio tracking all in one place. You get the basic plan, which is free and super powerful. Then there is premium, and the price changes here a lot. They have many special offers, so watch out for that. But also check out my affiliate link, you should get a very nice discount. And then there is the Pro version with all the features. Really super powerful. It's perfect for investors who want portfolio tracking, research, news, and analysis all at their fingertips. But maybe you don't need all these research tools. Maybe you're focused on something simpler: building a passive income. If you're building a dividend portfolio, Snowball Analytics is designed specifically for you. Snowball is graphical and intuitive. The dashboard gives you the most important information at a glance, and you can customize it however you want. You get quite a lot of analytics, for example, returns and diversification by stock, asset class, countries, regions, currencies, and sectors. Snowball puts dividend income front and center. You see your passive income monthly and annually with projections, dividend growth over time, and which stocks contributed most to your income stream. You get holdings, transaction history with performance, and a dividend calendar. The tools section include a portfolio rebalancer and top dividend stocks list, plus news beyond just your portfolio. Watching your passive income growth month after month is incredibly motivating. And if you want to learn more about dividend investing, check out my dividend investing course at stockinvesting.academy. It's a great place to start. So you can have a free tier forever, and that gives you one portfolio with 10 holdings. Then there is Starter for around 80 euros per year. That's still one portfolio, but unlimited holdings. Then you got Investor for 150 euros per year, 10 portfolios with unlimited holdings. And finally, Expert for 250 euros per year with unlimited portfolios. It's perfect for anyone building a passive income or focused on dividend investing. More graphical than Seeking Alpha, but without the deep stock analysis tools. But what if you need serious analytics? Tax reports, benchmarking, deep data. For comprehensive data and reporting, Sharesight is unmatched. It shows your portfolio in multiple ways. You can group it by sectors, industry, whatever you need. It automatically adjusts for events like stock splits, which is incredibly helpful. I bought half a Google share, it split, and everything adjusted automatically. You can confirm dividend payments and specifically if they were reinvested. The calculations are automatic, saving you tons of time. There are a few great features here. The reports are where Sharesight really shines. Basic reports show stock performance over time and exposure, but the advanced reports help you analyze portfolio structure, risks, and most importantly, taxes worldwide. Sharesight is an absolute powerhouse for tax compliance. We have 4 plans, from free, 1 portfolio with 10 holdings, to premium, 10 portfolios with unlimited holdings. And you can use my affiliate link for 10% off any plan, plus you save much more with annual billing. This is perfect for serious investors who need professional-grade reporting. It tracks everything: cost basis, dividend reinvestments, currency fluctuations, and much more. However, it's not for everyone. Some investors just want simplicity. Getquin sits in the sweet spot between simple and powerful. Clean, modern interface with your performance shown from one day all the way to the entire portfolio history. You see stocks with results and dividends with information about how much you get each year from each company. Your annual results are super easy to find and understand. So 2022 down, 23 up, 24 great. You get price gains, dividends, realized gains, and total returns. On the paid plan, you can forecast dividend growth and get advanced metrics like internal rate of return and true time-weighted rate of return. You can divide your portfolio by sectors. The performance section gives detailed year-by-year breakdowns. It makes investing feel like a game. Simple, easy to use, with most of what you need. The free version includes unlimited portfolio tracking, performance analysis, and a social investing community where you can learn from other investors' strategies. You get 7 days free trial, then about €4 monthly or €50 annually. One of the cheapest options that still gets the job done. This is perfect for investors who want a user-friendly app without being oversimplified. You don't get all the pro reporting features, but you get what matters. So there you have it, 4 portfolio trackers for 4 different personalities. And the best part, they all have free versions. So pick one that matches your investing style, test it out for free, and see how it feels. You can find all the links in the description of this video. If you found this helpful, check out my video on 5 best growth stocks for 2026. I'm pretty sure you'll find it useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.